In today's video, we'll guide you through how to change your password on a Windows, laptop, or PC. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Changing your password is a great way to keep your files and personal data safe, especially if someone else knows your current password. To get started, click the Windows Start button at the bottom left of your screen. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, head over to the left-hand panel and click Accounts. Next, scroll down the account options and select Sign In options. Under the list of sign-in methods, find Password and click on it to expand the section. Then click Change on the right-hand side. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. After that, type in your new password, confirm it, and optionally add a password hint to help you remember it later. Once done, click Next, and from now on, you'll use your new password to sign in. Finally, click Finish to complete the process. And that's it. Your password is now updated, keeping your account secure. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.